Sing rice na rice, rice na rice, rice na rice, yo. Whether na rice, yo, whether stone or not, yo. One thing with Nigerian currency is that it's only heavy when hearing it, but when spending it, for where? So guys, I'm out of the house now. See people where me and them follow. See where they don't reach go, wrong go. Eh? I'm out of the house now. I want to go. Today is Thursday. I want to go and retouch my children's hair, so that on Friday they can plait it for school, because they will be starting school on Monday. So let them retouch it today, because it's not good to retouch hair immediately and plait it, because even me adult is always painful. So let them go today and retouch it, and Saturday they will plait it. See them, they are the front. I could have shown you guys how rough their hair is, but let's go to the salon. Let me see if I will not be staying there with them. I will just drop them. If I could not video them, maybe later I will then show you guys. And also I'll be branching to my tailor place to go check my daughter's skirt uniform, because she have overgrown the skirt. I'm going there to go and check it. So finger crossed. See you all later. Aja kaja. Kiribesaba, 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 kiribesaba. Hey, weather is too cool. I said, let me shake my body so that I will get that agile energy, understand? Because today, waka dey my leg. Anyway, how are you all doing? Hey guys, welcome back once again. It's another day, another vlog. It is almost 3 days after I talked to you guys that I am taking my kids to Salon. Yes, 3 days or 4 days now. So today is Tuesday, and it's rain here in Port Harcourt. This early, the rain started very early in the morning. Even my kids, they enter rain, because when their bike man came, they have to put head and start going and wear their jacket. So how you all doing? Welcome back once again. It's a continuation of our last vlog. Understand? I don't even know how the vlog started, but any which way, I know that the last place was ended was me taking my guests to the salon. Understand? And it's almost 4 days now. So today being Tuesday, I want to go to Oyime Market, because after here, I say let me do this. Talk to you guys before I come freshen up before going out. So I want to go to Oyime Market and buy some things. And I want to know what 100k can buy for a family of 7 living in Port Harcourt. See, one thing with Nigerian currency is that it's only heavy when hearing it, but when spending it, for where? You no reach anything. But finger crossed, I want to know how and where. Let me just say what and what I'm going to buy with 100k for a family of 7 living in Port Harcourt. We all know that price of things now is not anybody's friend. What you bought yesterday 1 naira, you will go today and buy it 2 naira. So don't be surprised. And I believe, and the major thing that I want to buy is rice. Inside that 100k, I want to buy a bag of rice. Then know how many soup. Jesus, miracle must happen. No, no, how many pot of soup that will come out of it, and stew. Understand? Aside meat, though, aside meat, because meat is not included in this money. So finger crossed, I'm going to achieve anything, because these days, What we need is what to enter stomach, not what will taste good in our mouth, but not every time. Oh, now this time we're saying rice na rice, rice na rice, rice na rice. Yo, whether na rice, yo, whether stone or not, yo. Who must to eat? This stomach must accept something rice. And one of this school just resumed, and rice is one thing that you as is a must in a house that has children. Rice is a must in my house. I don't know about you, because hey, we eat rice every day from Monday till Saturday. Monday till Sunday we eat rice. You understand? So let me not talk too much. How are you all doing? Welcome to my page. And if you are new to this page, if you have not subscribed, please do wait to subscribe and give us a like. Drop your comments on the comment section, and also you share. Understand? And don't forget, you are seeing your girl, your mama, that chicks in the building. You get it? Let's go. Let me not talk too much and waste waste your time. I don't know what is blocking my throat. So let's go. Let's dive in. I will talk to you either at the market or when I'm back, because as rain fall today, I know everywhere will be potopoto. Understand? Everywhere will be messy. So I don't really know how it will go, but I want to vlog market vlog. It has been a long time. I want to vlog market vlog. But let's go. Let's just go. Good things must happen. Understand? Better thing go happen, oh, it must happen, oh, it go happen, oh, it must happen. Let me, I'm sure. Talk to you later. Go do. Even if my face do not show. Guys, this meat you are seeing here is 40,000. 40K. 40K. And I'm shocked because it's my husband that bought it. Honestly, the meat is very big. That is 3 wrap. They tie it into 3. This one is normal beef. This one is normal beef. So I'm going to be washing it separate. Going to be washing it separate. Let me join this one now. Let me first of all wash the kanda. Honestly, the meat is very, very, very big. This is cow head. This is cow head. So I'm removing this the flesh.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.